blessed day, everybody! What a long day! Ang haba ng aking araw sa work. It's the last day of work and we ended with a lecture and workshop about first aid with my fellow language coaches and study supervisor. So, pauwi na ako at maki-birthday sa aking dalaga. She's turning 13 today. Hindi naman siya nag-ask ng party. Pinapili pala namin siya if she wants to have a party or travel abroad. So, pinili niya ang to travel abroad. Pero dito na ako sa City of Link shopping. Maybe we'll just look for a bakery para at least may cake siya. I just left her pansit and puto for lunch kanina before ako umalis. Okay, we'll see. See you later. Happy birthday to you. I left her pansit and puto for lunch earlier. While sa dinner naman, chicken satay sauce and rice noodles ang niluto ni Daddy Chef. Pagdating ko, cook na. At ito naman ang kanyang request na panghimagas dessert. Banana Q. Okay, bola-bola. Banana, bola-bola skewers. Okay, Lana, your dessert is ready. Thank you. Part 2 ng karaoke Q niyang request. So, isa coated lang ng sesame and muscovado sugar. While the other one, binuburan lang natin ng powdered milk. Pero mas gusto ko yung coated ng muscovado and sesame. Ito pa ang mga simple request ng dalaga sa kanyang birthday dahil gusto niya ang kimchi at banana chips. Para sa ayong mga in-laws, nag-prepare lang kami ng mga sari-saring prutas. Ang sarap ng watermelon. Ito naman, pinya and yellow melon. Honey melon pala. O, Asian food. Pansit, pampahaba ng buhay. Wok with tofu para sa mga vegetarian.